Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect BITRIX24 to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and log into your account. Then, click on Create Workflow from the top right corner. Now, click on Add First Step and search for BITRIX24. If BITRIX24 doesn't appear, then search for HTTP and click on HTTP request instead. Now, select the HTTP method like GET, POST, or PUT depending on what you want to do with BITRIX24. Then, enter the BITRIX24 API URL. You can get this from your BITRIX24 webhook or REST API documentation. Next, choose the authentication method like None, predefined credential type, or generic credential type. Then, select the credential type and click on Create New Credential. Now, enter the required details such as API key, client ID, or access token depending on the type you selected. After that, run the toggles on or off for options like send query parameters, send headers, and send body based on what your API call needs. Finally, click on Execute step to test the connection and see if the response from BITRIX24 is working as expected. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.